Hello everyone, without wasting time in this video, we are going to find the prime factorization of 8281. So as we can see, 8281 is odd, so not divisible by 2. And the sum of digit 8 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 is 19. So it's not divisible by 3 either. Now last digit is not 0 or 5, so not divisible by 5. Now let's check with 7. So 8281 divided by 7 gives 1183. Now again 1183 divisible by 7 gives 169. 169 is the square of 13, so we will go with 13. And 13 divided by 13 is 1. So the prime factorization of 8281 is 7 times 7 times 13, or in terms of exponent 7 power 2 times 13 power 2. So if you prefer step by step, you can choose this ladder form, and your challenge to factor 6889. So this is your homework. So it's an hint, check 83 square. Subscribe for more maths shortcut.